Master Kamal from Bangkok, Thailand, and he will be discussing on the Ayurveda and Yoga, the life elixirs. Master Kamal.
నమస్తే డాక్టర్ శేఖర్ నమస్కార్ ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు యూర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ గ్రేట్ సోల్స్ టు యూ ఆల్ మై ప్రణామ్స్ Ayurveda and Yoga is the elixir to the life. You know, they both are integrated, and once you combine them together, it actually improves the quality of life and also improves your health, longevity, and also makes you realize your true self. You know, here are some methods I would like to share with you that you can adopt in your everyday life to improve the quality of life. The very first thing I would like to say is hurry, worry, curry. These three kill you. Okay, if you worry too much, if you hurry too much, and if you are eating too much curries, can kill you. So yoga and Ayurveda emphasize on two very important things called ahar, vihar. So ahar is the food, vihar is the exercise or the activities that you do every day. But what happens is we are not following that. The very thing Ayurveda recommends is to eat 3 meals a day. But if you are more than over 30 years of age, I recommend you to eat only 2 meals. One being a big meal in the afternoon and the other one any time of the day lighter. So that will help you be very, very healthy. Like me, I only take once mostly and little in the other days. Addictions, you know, many people think smoking and alcohol is addiction, but please understand, your overeating is a great big addiction. It's dangerous. It actually causes obesity. It also causes heart problems, diabetes, and many health issues, including energy, dullness, fatigue, and all this happens. So understand, it's not only about alcohol. Control your food. Good thing is you no need to stop them like smoking, but you actually need to control in order to be very, very healthy. And you all know stomach is the mother of all diseases. So vegetarian, you see many people say vegetarian is very, very good. I understand that, but point is many people are not. They think vegetarian is so good, so eat a lot. So this can cause severe problems, causing fatty liver, toxicity in the liver, obesity, and so many health problems, including diabetes, heart problems, and everything. So please understand, vegetarian doesn't mean you can eat as much as you want. And we got to be careful not to eat too much of starches, sugars, and too much salty foods. This can cause a lot of problem for you. Eat less. That is important, very important, once you are over 30 years of age. And food combinations, I would like to make it simple. You know, separate fruits and food. Very important. And you can eat food and vegetables, like starches and vegetables, okay. But protein and starches, not okay. Protein and vegetables is okay. Please understand this, very important. Simple changes can change a lot of difference. And another thing which people take is a lot of food, but nowadays the food is not what it is. It is so much of pesticides and chemicals. So I always recommend people to take some super healthy nutritious supplements. So something like supplements like ALA, omega, B complex, curcumin, AAA, neem, like that. But please consult your doctor, your Ayurveda nutritionist, or you can come to me. Okay. And another test I would like you to do. Number 1 test. Stand tall and look down at your feet. If your belly is in the way, you may likely have fatty liver. Yeah, understand that. So get rid of it by doing yoga, exercises, movements. And another thing for men, this is for men. If you have a woman breast shaped like a woman breast and you have a belly fat, please know that it's not only causing you obese, it is also producing more female hormone, which is so dangerous. So if you are a married person, it will actually affect you because you have low libido. So think about it, and very simple, no need to worry, exercise more. That's very important. Now another thing I say is exercise is if you do 15 minutes 3 times a week is good enough. but give all you got, push beyond. Don't do easy yoga. And also you should choose, let's say if you're choosing yoga, understand your body type. Don't do whatever yoga. If you have a pitta body type and if you do hot yoga, you will be so fiery. Okay, and similar with kapha people. Kapha people do easy yoga, lazy yoga. They will not see any results. They need to be very active. So you can also come to me for yoga and come to me for any nutrition. Another thing I would like to say, why Ayurveda? You see, Ayurveda is time tested, natural, ancient, and it works on your constitution because everybody is unique. It's not just saying it, okay, you got some symptom and you heal. That's not how Ayurveda works. It works for you individually. That's the beauty of it. And why yoga than many other fitness? Because understand, yoga brings you physical, mental, emotional energies as well. Now here I'm going to give you one simple technique. Please don't think it's simple, it's very ancient. When you breathe in, mentally think of the word so. When you breathe out, mentally think of the word hum. And this is ancient and very powerful. I just want to sing one song for you. Hamso Ganesho Vidireva Hamso Hamso Hari Ham Samayasa Shambho Hamsa Sajivo Gurudeva Hamso Hamsa Samatma Paramatma Hamsa. Hamsa, also called Soham. These are very, very powerful. It awakens your deities within, nadis within, energies within. Thank you so much. And please visit my website, masterkamal.com, and you can come and visit my YouTube, Master Kamal. Simply type and you can see a lot of videos and on diet. So thank you. Live with passion and compassion. Namaste.
Next